If you cannot download apps on your iPhone 17e, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna jump to settings, and you want to make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. And now this might sound obvious to some people, but sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we might not even be aware of that. Now, in addition to that, you want to make sure that you are logged into an Apple account. So you want to go to your Apple account if it is there, and for example, you can open the iCloud in order to make sure that you are properly logged into your account. If not, then you might want to sign out of your account and then sign back into the account. Sometimes this helps as well. Besides that, you want to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, of course. Make sure that your connection is properly established. You want to make sure that there are no issues with the Wi-Fi whatsoever. Or in addition to that, you might want to check your cellular data. If you use that instead, you want to make sure that it is enabled or that the correct SIM is selected. Now, besides these options, you want to check restrictions and that may have been applied on your phone. So if we go to the screen time over here, and then proceed to content and privacy restrictions, we should be able to check if restrictions are enabled. You might also go to App Store, Media, Web and Games and check if there are any restrictions that would prevent you from downloading an app. Also, this might sound a little bit silly, but you want to check the date and time on your phone. So in case the date and time is not the one that should be, of course you want to fix that. So if we go to the general settings over here, we can go to date and time, and even though the date and time might be set to automatic, of course the time and date can still be incorrect, so you might want to turn it off at adjust the date and the time, and then you might want to turn the automatic time zone or time, actually not the time zone but time again, the date and time. Well, the time zone is included as well, but you get the idea. And that is pretty much everything that we can do in the settings. Actually, my bad, there is one more thing. So in settings, if you scroll all the way down, we can go to apps, and then here in apps we're gonna proceed to the App Store. And in the case you want to use the cellular data or mobile data, you can of course make sure that the App Store has access to cellular or mobile data. You might want to of course make sure that it is enabled in here. Also, we can find automatic downloads section, which you might want to enable. I mean, over here we have the app downloads, so you can automatically install free and paid apps purchased on other devices. Although it says on other devices, of course, it might be helpful to actually enable this option as well. And the same thing can be done for cellular or mobile data in here as well. Although this might not necessarily solve your issue, you can give it a chance and see if that actually helps. If it turns out that it doesn't help, you can of course go back to the settings and turn it off. And last but not least, you can also reboot your iPhone. So you want to shut it down, of course, completely, and then turn it back on and see if that helps. Sometimes a simple restart of the iPhone also can be helpful, and it can solve some of the issues with the App Store. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.